Now, when we try to understand the concept of profit maximization, we will always look at this profit maximization condition, which is where MC, marginal cost, is equals to MR, marginal revenue. So when firms were to produce at an output level where it's profit maximizing, we will say that firms need to use this condition, produce at where MC is equals to MR. But why is this so? This is so because of this principle called the marginalist principle. So let's look at the diagram. When we explain this on a diagram, we have your marginal cost curve, we have your marginal revenue curve. When we look at the left-hand side of the diagram, if your marginal revenue is greater than your marginal cost, what does that actually mean? It means that for every unit that you are producing, the extra revenue derived from selling one extra unit of the good is greater than the extra cost from producing one extra unit of the good. That means to say, I can always make more money because for me to produce one extra unit, I am making more money than it costs me to produce that one extra unit. I can continue to make more profits by stepping up my production because my revenue for producing one extra unit exceeds the cost of producing that one extra unit. That is on the left-hand side of the diagram. So when we look at the right-hand side of the diagram, what we will observe is this. Your marginal cost is greater than your marginal revenue. It implies that when I produce one extra unit of the good, what happens here is that the extra unit of the good costs more than the revenue that I derive from the extra unit of the good. Because when marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, it means one extra unit of the good to produce costs more than the revenue that I will derive from selling that one extra unit. Effectively, if I can cut back on my production, then I can increase my profits because at this point, every single unit that I'm producing, I'm actually making a loss. If I'm actually making a loss by producing more, I can make more profits by cutting back on production so that I lose less. This will bring us back to QE. QE is where MC is equals to MR. So only at QE, we have the profit maximization output.